Hey, what's going on everybody? TJ here, and today it is rainy and wet, as you can see. Everything is absolutely soaked, so I'm going to be doing some Flatground stuff today. Moving in on the 6-month mark of having this channel and getting back into skateboarding. So I am going to be uploading a video showing the progress of these past 6 months. So definitely keep an eye out for that. But for today, we're just gonna do some Flatground stuff, make sure, practice a little bit, get that stuff dialed in, and have a good time. Let's get to it. All right, we're gonna start off practicing some Ollies, some switch Ollies, some nollies, some fakie Ollies, and move on from there. Alright, let's see if I can get that front shove. Learned it like 2 weeks ago. Let's knock one out. That might have been the best, most concise handstand I've ever done in my life. Definitely starting to sweat, get a little bit worn out. Let's try to get a 360 shove. 3 shoves, here we go. Summer's pretty much over, and there's just such a nice breeze out there, and it just felt so good for like that split second right there. Fall, here we come. You know what I want to try? I want to try something that I usually only pull out in a game of skate. And that is a nollie frontside big spin. I think that's a pretty damn good rotation. All right, here, I got a good one for you. It's called a Haymaker.
Down the fire.
Probably my best one. I don't know, I've done a lot of those tricks. I've really gotten them down before. All right, so now that I've done almost every single shove variation that there's ever been made ever, except for maybe like 2, I'm gonna try to land a kickflip because this is a trick that I actually really struggle with. In the process of filming a full video on me practicing to get kickflips. So who knows, maybe I'll get one right now in this video too. Ollie North though. I'm trying to learn Ollie North so it would help me kick out with my kickflips. Literally learn Ollie North to be able to land a kickflip. This is such a tough trick for me. All right, so kickflips is something that I'm still working on. I'm a lot closer than I was. The main problem is that every single time I've landed kickflips, because I've done them before, however, I've always done them the wrong way. And I always have like kicked, like I drag up and then kick down. And it flips it does, but it's just such a bad habit and I've gotten really hurt while doing it that way. So I'm trying to fix that and I'm trying to get kickflips with like actually like flicking my foot out and up like a ninja kick style. You know, everyone who does that, it looks so nice and I really want to get that. So I'm just gonna keep practicing. And I know over time it'll get better and better and then one day it's just gonna click and then I'll land it. Just like every other single trick ever. All right, so since I'm maybe not gonna get this kickflip in this video, I'm just gonna do an old school kickflip because I know I can at least do that. And they're fun. So if you've never did an old school kickflip, definitely do one. And let me show you what that looks like right now. Yes! Yes! Woo! Yes! All right, and on that note, I'm going to call it for this video. Nice flat ground day because it is really, really rainy outside. Here, as you can see, the ground is soaking wet because it just started drizzling more and more. But flat ground's awesome. Feels good to keep progressing on my flat ground because it makes it a lot more consistent when I bring it to the skate park. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for landing those new tricks. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can follow along this progression of extreme sports, XS progression. We're going to do more skateboarding, more BMX, snow skating, skimboarding in summer, and other extreme sports. Also more builds, more skate parks. So subscribe to the channel. Building up an awesome community. Love talking to you guys, so leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.